to Kingston's cooking show. Today, we'll be cooking something. I don't know, but we'll be cooking something. So, let's go. We don't actually want this lemon. We want something else, so that's better. Anyways, today we'll be cooking something with chocolate. So, first thing you're going to need is big Mr. Biggs. 4 to be exact. Next, grab some syrup. Now, it might look like we're just pouring syrup over Mr. Biggs, but I promise you it's much more. Okay, after putting on your blackberry gummy maple syrup, mix them together. Okay, after doing that, you should have a very ripe, very red tomato. Add that to the pile. We'll need that for later. After that, you're going to take some fake lettuce. It must be fake. If it's not fake, then this recipe will not work. Then you're going to use dark magic to turn it into a real lettuce. Dark magic worked. It's now real lettuce. Add that to the pile because we need that later. Next, we're going to need cucumbers. So, take this pineapple, and we're going to take this stem, and we're going to rip it off to make it into a cucumber. Perfect. We now have a cucumber. Add that to the pile because we'll need that later. I mean now. Grab lettuce, tomato, and cucumber. If you haven't told by yet, we're making a salad. Now, we're going to need one key component, chemicals, also known as vinegar. Grab your vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Beep! Come on, turn to jar pickles. This is bad. I've done this for like 6 hours straight, and all the time it just turns into a bottle of pickles. All the times. I've tried millions upon millions of times. I'm so unlucky. If you're lucky, it will turn into a salad. If you're unlucky, like me, it will turn into a jar of pickles. Come on!